Hello and welcome back to IC Tech Reviews. Today I got for you the Oneplus 9 in the beautiful color Arctic Sky, where I can show you some footage of how this color behaves in the sunlight and shadow, and up front we will start with a short unboxing. Enjoy and have fun! So now let's look in the interior of this thing. Let's get this thing unboxed. Come on, have to be careful not to damage too much. So it's a bit sturdy. Oh, and there comes the instructions. Welcome from Oneplus and Hasselblad. Quick start guide, safety information, and information about the SAR value. Okay. But the focus in today's video is the beautiful thing which is inside here, and as you can see, it is the Arctic Sky model that we are trying to unbox today. How to grab this the best? I think this will be the best here. Okay, let's have a look at this precious thing. Okay. Now it's time to get it out of this safety containment. And look what we've got here. Oh wow. This is a hell of a beautiful phone. Ooh yeah, look at this tone. It is a matte finish. The color is called Arctic Sky, and I feel like it really hits the point. It is shining in several different variations of blue. As we see here, we have the nice vibration button. We have our louder or volume button here. The display comes with a screen protector on already, so that's quite good. You don't have to buy one. However, I wanted to show you the beautiful color of this phone. Isn't it a beauty? From all angles. Ooh. What do we have here as well in the box? As this is not the last thing, obviously. We have here a nice looking, or let's say standard case. We have the cable for our charger, which is USB to USB-C. And of course, we have the power supply unit, which I think should be 65 watts. Fast charge. Now focus again on this very beautiful tone, and with this last view on this incredible cool blue color. See you in my next video.